Hi guys, this is Bello Naija News. The United States of America will assist Nigeria with $102 million to fight Boko Haram. 55 escaped prisoners have been recaptured after the jailbreak incident in Mina. Senate President Bukola Saraki replies Nigerian police in response to the Offa bank robbery. Vice President Osinbajo's helicopter makes an emergency landing in Abuja. His spokesperson, Laolu Akonde, said Osinbajo avoided using his chopper from the Nigeria Custom graduation ceremony in Gwagwalada back to the presidential villa Abuja because of technical reasons. Osinbajo reveals the federal government's innovations to check herdsmen.
We're also working with customs and immigration and other of the forces and services to take a second look at our approach to the movement of livestock and herders from our neighbors